Every day, thousands of beginners decide to build their first website, grab their credit card, and buy a hosting package right out of the gate. But when they log in, they realize they have absolutely no idea what kind of website they actually need, and scramble to piece it together. That early enthusiasm quickly turns into a maze of technical options. You end up paying for premium server features you don't need, staring at a blank screen, and eventually abandoning the project entirely. We are going to fix that. In this tutorial, we will walk through a step-by-step process using free AI tools like ChatGPT or Gemini to generate a complete, customized website planning worksheet before you spend a single dime. Using AI to interrogate your rough ideas provides a specific technical requirements list, ensuring you only pay for the server resources your project actually needs to launch. Step 1 is setting up the foundation. Open up your preferred AI assistant. We are going to establish exactly what your project is going to be. To do that, we use our first prompt. Type this in: help me define the purpose of my first website. Ask me questions one by one and help me narrow it down. You want the AI to force you to think. Answer its questions until you arrive at a single, clear purpose statement. Something like, I am building a tutorial site to teach beginners how to set up domains. Next, we need to know who is going to read it. Feed the AI your new purpose statement and use this second prompt. Based on my idea, who is the best target audience and what are their biggest beginner problems? A simple portfolio meant for a dozen local clients requires a completely different tone, structure, and feature set than a content-heavy blog meant for thousands of students. Knowing your audience dictates what you actually need to build. Establishing this strict purpose and audience acts as an anchor. It keeps you focused and prevents you from adding expensive, unnecessary features later on. Now that we know who the site is for, we can map out its architecture. A common mistake here is trying to build 20 pages at launch. We want to keep it simple. Ask the AI, suggest the minimum useful pages I should go first for this website. This diagram shows what you should be aiming for. Instead of a massive web of dead ends, you get a clean, manageable sitemap with just a few essential branches, like on page, an about page, a contact section, and a guides page. To populate both pages, you need material. Use this prompt. Suggest 10 useful content topics for my beginner website. This ensures you won't be staring at a blank screen on launch day. A quick warning here. Do not just blindly copy these suggestions. Manually review the list and adjust the topics so they fit your own goals and authentic voice. By defining the exact number of pages and your first 10 articles, you now know the actual physical size of your project before paying to host it. With the content architecture mapped out, we can figure out what kind of server environment is actually required to run it. We need the AI to translate your outline into technical specs. Prompt it with, help me identify the technical requirements of this website in simple language. You are looking to find out if you need a database, an SSL certificate, or specific email setups. Now we evaluate our hosting options. Feed the AI this text. Given my website plan, which is more suitable at first? Shared hosting, WordPress hosting, VPS, or cloud hosting? This decision matrix here illustrates the difference. VPS or crowd hosting requires significant technical skill and are built from massive traffic, while shared setups are designed for ease of use. Ignore the advanced options. For a first-time launch, a basic shared or WordPress package is almost always the correct answer. By making your technical decisions based strictly on your content plan, you guarantee you won't rent a massive server for a tiny beginner website. You now have all the pieces. The final step is to organize this sprawling chat history into a single actionable document. Now ask your AI one last thing. Turn our discussion into a practical website planning worksheet I can follow before buying hosting. This instruction forces the AI to prioritize your workload. It clearly separates the essential tasks you must complete right now from the advanced technical steps that can wait until after you launch. The final output is your finalized blueprint. You will see your purpose, your target audience, your exact sitemap, and your hard technical requirements all grouped neatly together in a single checklist. You now have a single categorized document that lists your goals and the exact steps required to reach them. By following this workflow, you've consolidated your project's purpose, audience, sitemap, and technical specifications into a single guide. Take one final look over your compiled worksheet. Make sure the AI's logic makes sense for your personal schedule and fits within your budget. Now you are ready. Take your finalized worksheet over to Hostmarts and confidently purchase the exact shared hosting plan your blueprint requires. A successful website launch relies entirely on the rigorous, logical planning you complete before the credit card is ever pulled out.